Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm gonna be vlogging at the tattoo shop today, only because today is basically our Halloween celebration. Today is October 30th, and we plan to do a little October Halloween party at the shop, which means that everybody's gonna dress up today. So your boy is going to be Usopp, from One Piece live action. Funny thing is, I don't even know anything about that. I just kind of got thrown into it because everybody's gonna be dressing up as something from One Piece, and they tell me be Usopp. So I was like, all right, let me put something together. So let's do our thing and let's be Usopp. Oh, first, maybe we should feed Butters. Okay, all right. While Butters eats, we could go ahead and start dressing up. Let's do it. So the first thing that I noticed that Usopp wears is some brown overalls. So I went ahead and bought these Dickies ones. I don't be wearing overalls like that. I know I'm putting it on wrong. Step one, complete. What is the next step here? Oh, Usopp also has a side pouch. I got a side pouch. Boom. He also has a slingshot, but I wasn't able to get the slingshot just because they didn't want to ship it here for some reason. But I do have some dreadlocks and a dreadlock band to keep it out of my face. Oh my God, okay. Oh yeah, we lit. So this is the vibe. Can you imagine me at the shop like this? Like, hey yo, what are you like, what's your costume? Oh, I'm Usopp. Who's Usopp? I've never heard of him. God. All right guys, I just got to the shop. Got my dreads on. We also got Tango here. He's getting his outfit ready.
I'm about to get a permanent marker and draw my face.
What's your outfit?
I'll show you in a bit.
Okay, all right. Unfortunately, Ray won't be here today. He was supposed to pull up, but it didn't work out. But we're gonna wait for the rest of the crew to pop up, and we're gonna see if they dress up nice too. So we'll see. We need to get your reaction on Vu without facial hair.
Oh yeah? Let's go. Let me get him.
Okay, Vu just pulled up.
Look at this guy.
Alright, it's I.
Damn, bro. You do look like Zoro. You like the earrings?
I got all three swords. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, let me do this pose for you real fast.
Oh shoot, he has a pose.
I got a fucking pose.
He has a pose.
Alright, you ready?
Oh shit.
Hey Blue, I need your help. I need you to draw an X on my chest.
I got you.
Oh yeah, just slice me.
How's it look? Look at you, bro. You look good.
Dang, multi-purpose. Pretty much lunchtime now, so I went ahead and picked up some Jollibee. If you've never had Jollibee before, it's pretty good, especially that peach mango pie. Chef's kiss. Lunchtime, baby. I freaking love this car. Luffy's about to eat his chicken.
I'm fucking hungry.
Got the rice, chicken, gravy, spaghetti. Look at all that. Oh my God. About to take a group photo.
I love it when someone has their camera out and you're kind of like, you know, when people are arguing on the street with camera in the face, like they're recording each other's camera.
Okay, hi everyone. I'm gonna be Namni today. This is my pole.
This is.
Oh shoot!
Okay, I'm done.
Wait, hold it.
Take one Luffy in the back. Thank you.
You know how heavy this sword is? This one's, I tried to buy a fake white one, they didn't have it, so I had to get a real one. These are fake. That would have been easier. It would have been lighter.
Wait, that one's the real one?
This one's a real one, yeah. The white one.
Oh shit.
These are fake, so look at, whoa. You know, this one's real. It's heavy as fuck. Trying to hold it in my mouth, break my teeth.
All right, you guys, we are back at home now. It's pretty much coming to the end of the day, but I figured, you know what, let's go ahead and continue the vlog. I got Butters behind me. Say, what's up, Butters? Mm-hmm. Oh, you do? She wants me to show you guys photos from the photo shoot earlier. Enjoy. That was so good, Butters. You're so good. You're so fluffy. You're so fluffy. Basically, at the end of the day, I usually use this time to clean up the crib, you know, kind of do my house stuff. There's a lot of things I need to get done. Every single day, there's something new. So today, I got a load of laundry that just finished, so your boy gotta do a little bit of folding. I got packages in the background that gotta go out tomorrow. Dishes need to get done. The floors could use a mop, but I think I'm gonna do that tomorrow because I wanna get this video out for you guys tomorrow. That way I can wish you guys a happy Halloween. I hope everybody stays safe out there. There's a lot of crazy things going on in the world, so stay safe and stay blessed, you guys. If you guys liked Butters' costume, let me know in the comment section down below. I feel like these next couple months are gonna be stupid busy for me, so I hope you guys are ready for some crazy content. I got a trip planned within the next week or so, so I'm gonna be vlogging out in, yeah, you guessed it, Hawaii. But I'm doing this trip a little bit different. I'm not spending a bunch of money on it. It's really gonna be a budget trip, and I'm gonna see if it hits the same as, you know, spending a lot of money. Because right now I feel like everybody's all about the steals and deals. People aren't trying to pay hella money for fun. So right now I'm trying to see, can you have fun on a budget? Of course you can. So far for the Hawaii trip, I spent 150 bucks on the flight just because I had a voucher. So basically I just paid the difference, and I'm staying there for like 5 or 6 days. So far my room's gonna be taken care of. I'm staying with a homie. So the only thing left is basically food, and that's it. That's basically it, guys. That's just a little life update. I'm making some stuff for the holidays. So if you guys need anything, get ready. There's gonna be a bunch of stuff for sale. Thank you guys so much for the love and support as always. I appreciate y'all, and I'll see y'all very soon for the next video. All right, we're out. Peace.